Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Finelo Master Trading app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Finelo Master Trading is a trading education app designed to help users learn financial markets, develop trading skills, and apply strategies through interactive lessons, real-time simulations, and AI-driven analysis. The app covers topics such as stocks, forex, cryptocurrencies, risk management, and trade psychology. It's available on both iOS and Android and aims to offer a one-stop learning platform for aspiring traders. The app's main feature is its structured trading curriculum. Users can progress through beginner, intermediate, and advanced modules that explain trading concepts step by step. Additional features include AI market scanners, simulation of trades with virtual money, built-in analytics, and video tutorials by trading professionals. Some features may require a subscription for full access. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate the clear explanations of trading concepts, the virtual trading mode that lets you practice without risk, and the AI tools that highlight potential trade setups. The user interface is clean and helps streamline learning for those new to trading. The module-based format is also helpful for self-paced progress. However, there are some drawbacks. Some users feel the pricing for premium features is high and mention upselling within the app. The simulations, while helpful, may not replicate the emotional and unpredictable nature of real markets. Additionally, advanced traders may find the toolset too basic or lacking the depth of professional trading platforms. Offline access may also be limited. In summary, the Finelo Master Trading app may be worth using if you're a beginner trader or someone wanting structured lessons and practical drills to build foundational skills. However, if you already trade professionally or need full market tools, it might not cover all your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.